can't do that.
Your mommy did that when she was little like you. I ate more mud soup and more whatever food.
Mud pies?
Yeah. And took care of mommy's babies when she went to work on her bike. And she'd come back, get gas in her bike. He was a little bit older than you are right now.
Bleepo.
What?
What?
When mommy was little, she used to come here all the time.
You gonna give Charlie some mud pie?
Mm-hmm.
You gonna throw it at his face?
No, you don't throw it.
Okay.
It's serious business.
What?
What?
What are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Making cake?
Ew. You put your hands in there?
You gonna put any bacon in it?
That wasn't a candle.
I know.
The stick.
It was a pretend. Huh?